So first of all, we need to add portfolio here from this plus icon. Okay, just we have to need to put the project title here. So for that we need to help from ChatGPT. So we just write here something like this way. Okay, copy here and paste. Okay, so we asked from ChatGPT rewriting a project title for creating a Facebook ad, Facebook lead generation services for Indian financial firm. Just we need to copy this headline as a firm, and maybe you can also copy down whole everything. Okay, now just go to the project title. Make sure it should be under the 70 characters. So just Facebook lead generation campaign for Indian financial firm, and just write down the company name, Trading Race. Okay, Trading Race. Facebook ads, Facebook lead generation campaign for Indian financial firm, that is named Trading Race. Okay, now go to the completion date. So I have completed this project quite some time before. Just to make it on 10 January, go to select template. You just go to select templates. So here you need to have 3 templates. Either you can showcase your gallery type, either you can showcase your case study, either you can showcase your portfolio as a classic. So you know what are the difference between these things. In this, suppose if you select this template, go to add the details. So here we have to drop down the images of your product, of your project. So drop down your images of your project and just put the skill set and project URLs and just project description. Okay, so this is the first type. Very simple. We just need to upload your images and skill set and project URL. If you have some website design services, then you can also put the website URL and project description. That's fine. Now in another case we have a case study. So in this template, just go to define the proper problem of the customer, what he is looking for, and what is the project challenge, and how we can solve the problem. We have to also import the images from the existing project. Okay, and also provide the project solution and project URL and the skill set. So just go to back. Now go to the classic option. So this is very good our option where we can also scroll down our previous work to the classic banner format. So I'm going to pick this particular format because I personally love this format. Okay, go to the add details. Now, so we have already mentioned the project title. Now it's time to define the project description. So for that we also need to take help from the ChatGPT. Then just copy this prompt and paste here as a words. Now this is a perfect project description for your existing project. Now just copy it and paste here, and make sure you need to also put some additional things here. Project includes, first one is that competitor analysis, competitors analysis. Second one is that, then second one is that audience research for Facebook ads, research for the Facebook ads, And third one is that create, run and optimize the Facebook ad. Now that's all. Now go to the upload the images related to this project. Just this one. Then again browse, go to the options, just go to the screenshot which I have taken from the existing project. Now this is the okay. Now this one from this to this. And make sure you have to select any of the images as a project cover. So I make it default as a project cover, and here is, I mean, you need to also put some caption here: trading race, then campaign, Facebook ads, then campaign performance, campaign results, then campaign distribution, and now since we do not have any project URL here, we just need to put some skill set only. Then Facebook ads, ads manager, okay. Then Facebook, then Facebook advertising, then lead generation. That's all. You can add maximum skills, but in this case I'm going to add only 5 skills which is relevant to our project. Now go to the project preview, and yeah, this looks very nice, and that's all. We publish the portfolio here on Upwork, and in this way we can add a number of portfolios inside your Upwork so that your profile looks very beautiful and it will attract more customers to your profile. I hope you understand this particular video. If you have any question, any doubt, feel free to ask. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.